In this open dev training, we'll have a look at the parties that are involved when you as a fleet operator are accessing connected car data. To show that, I will open up a diagram, and in that diagram we'll see an end-to-end flow of using that data and the parties involved. First off, we have your company. Basically, it's your fleet. You're the fleet operator or the fleet owner, and you have even starting from one but up to thousands of vehicles that you are using in your business, and you're interested in getting access to that data. So to do that, you are, of course, that's why you are looking at high mobility. We have an API where you can access all data from the vehicles. So that's the first stop, and the second kind of party is, of course, the driver. So the driver is in the end the one generating that data by driving the car, but depending on the data, if it's information about breakdown information, if it's about warning lights or mileage, it can be used for a lot of different use cases, but you have to make sure that everything is GDPR compliant towards the driver of the vehicle. That can be managed through contracts, can be a digital workflow. If you're already using other type of tracker devices to get data, you have all of that sorted out. But depending on the use case, you just need to make sure that everything is, that the fleet drivers are correctly informed about the data collection. Then we have us as high mobility. We are the ones providing the data on demand. So as soon as you activate a vehicle through our platform, we start we enable that on the manufacturer side and provide that data for you. So that's we are the one touch point to get that data in any of the ways you want that data delivered. And the manufacturer who gets the data at the first touch point when it comes from the car, because as soon as the car is connected, it can and activated, it uploads the data to the manufacturer servers, and that's from where we are getting the data to us as high mobility, and then and delivering that forwarding to you, the fleet operator. And lastly, the connected car. In order for that vehicle to be eligible, it has to be have connectivity, and we have ways to check that. We have an eligibility API. Also, we are checking eligibilities based on big lists, so you can always come to us to check for eligibility in the first place. And most vehicles since 2020 are connected, but even for some brands back to 2018 and 17. So these are all the different kind of parties involved in this. When you're working with the high mobility platform, all you have to do is to interface us. We are taking care of everything on the manufacturer side, and what's left for you to take care of is how you manage the compliance towards the drivers who are driving your vehicles. So if that's helpful, we will have another open dev training video for going deeper into how the legal compliance and also activation for your vehicles looks like. So see you in the next video.